I started learning English about 10 years ago, and I think I've learned quite a lot. I can talk about quite a few subjects, and I can understand quite well when people talk to me in English. At university, I mostly learn business words. I think it's important because I won't learn these words anywhere else. It's not by meeting other young people that I will learn business words. Although it's true that I do learn them too by reading on my own. I would really like to become fluent, and I don't like having to look for my words. Maybe one day I could think in English. Why not? I'm interested in grammar, but it's not my priority. It's not the most important thing. I think the most important thing for me is to be understood well and to have a good vocabulary. Many words for explaining many things. If you can say what you want to say, it's the important point. My biggest problem is I don't know enough words. I often repeat the same words. I find it difficult if I'm talking to someone about a subject that I don't know. I just don't have the words I need to explain what I want to say. It's very frustrating, and I very quickly don't know what to say. If we're talking about music or something like that, then it's no problem. My teacher tells me I need to expand my vocabulary range. When I am writing letters, I have lots of vocabulary. I find I have learned the correct expressions for application letters or CVs, so I find them easy now. To improve my vocabulary, I try to read a lot too. Sometimes I read English magazines about music, because I love listening to English music and American music. I also read British newspapers, but because I take the time to read, I find it easier than speaking. Another problem I have is remembering words. Sometimes I hear a word I don't understand and ask the person who said it, to tell it to me again. The problem is, about 5 minutes later, I have already forgotten the word. But I don't know what to do about this problem. Maybe I don't listen well enough. I'm maybe concentrating on understanding the main point of the conversation that I forget the, individual words. I think you need to hear words lots of different times to really remember new ones. In the future, I would like to speak more fluently and to know lots of vocabulary on many different subjects. I have started making my own dictionary, and so now, when I hear a new word, I write it down and try to use it very soon after. I hope this is going to help me improve my English vocabulary. I'm certainly motivated to learn more words.